on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene. Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team.
Franchise best on the team.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Guess what's behind me? Wonder what those could be. We got some new wheels, but I'm not going to show you guys until the end of the vlog. So stick around, and at the end of the vlog I'll show you guys what new wheels we went with and the color, the choice, and where we got them from. So till then, we are going to PPF the side skirts on my M3. They are kind of beat up a little bit underneath. You can't really see it from the sides, but I did end up getting some pre-cut side skirts. So we'll get this PPF installed on the side skirts. Thank you to Renee at Ultimate Auto Protection. She cut out some templates of the actual side skirts, so this should help for actually just installing it, and this will also help on all the rallies with all the pebbles and all that other stuff. So without further ado, let's get to putting this stuff on. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know I am using an application fluid to install the 3M, because you have to do it wet. And then I have a couple of squeegees, rubber ones, for doing PPF specifically. I am not a professional. I have helped my dad wrap the front of his Harley Davidson, and it went okay. Not the greatest, but it turned out enough that there's protection on the bike. So round two, we're gonna try PPFing on the side skirts. So let's see how well I do. Side skirt protected. Not gonna lie, that is a lot more work, and it is harder than vinyl, but I got it on. It's protected. It's wrapped all the way around. Now don't have to worry so much about all of the little rock chips and little gravel pieces on the highways. We got both sides done and installed. The second side was obviously easier than the first, because I kind of knew what and where and how the template fit. So it's on, it's protected. I mean, if you look super close, you may see a few flaws here and there, but whatever, I did it. It's my second time ever, and I think it turned out okay. But it's protected. That's all that matters now, and I'm happy that we finally got that done. Now, for the moment that you guys have been waiting for, let's get one of these wheels unboxed, and I'll show you guys what the new wheels look like.
Okay, back out fresh on the scene. 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 Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team.
Franchise best on the team.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
think of the new wheels? HF3 by Vossen. So we went with the Vossen HF3s. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the new wheels. We did go 20 by 9.5 in the front and 20 by 11 in the rear. So they're gonna be pretty meaty. I wasn't thinking when I ordered the tires and we got 275s and 255s. I'm actually trying to return the 275s and see if we can get some 295s, because I think 275 is going to be a bit of a stretch to put on an 11-inch wide wheel. We'll sort that out, no big deal. I'm just super happy that the wheels came. We also did get some satin black. We did also get some satin black center caps. With the wheels, we also got Vossen's custom lugs that have actual a washer on the bolt head. It has a washer on the bolt head, so it actually won't scratch up the wheels. That is a super brilliant idea, and they actually match the wheels as well. So thank you, Vossen, for sending us your guys' custom lug nuts. I'm super excited to get these wheels put on the car. Like I said, we did go 20 by 11 in the rear with a plus 35 offset, and we went at 20 by 9.5 in the front with a 16 offset. We got some super concave wheels, which I'm super excited to see on the M3, because I think that fitment is just gonna be like super aggressive, and it's just gonna flow with the body lines of the M3. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. A little bit of protection, and you guys got to see the new wheels. I ordered them 8 weeks ago, and they had to be custom made to the offsets to actually fit the M3. So I'm super excited to get these put on, and maybe I'll run them for the rest of the season, being that it is almost August and we don't have that much time until fall, where we start putting the car away. But we're also gonna start modifying the car come fall, so gonna be super awesome, and can't wait to get started that. If you guys want to watch the build and everything I put on the M3, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that'll notify you every time I upload a new video. Before we get the tires mounted, we are going to do some coating on the rims. We'll get them ceramic coated to make for ease of cleaning them that much easier, and because they're brand new, it's gonna be that much easier to get this applied. If you want to see a tutorial on how to apply the ceramic coating to your wheels, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But like that, have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe,